Howdy guys, it's Bryce here at Hylio, and today I'll be showing you how to complete an AG-272 fast compass cal. One thing to pay attention to when completing these fast compass cals, make sure you're 20 yards away from any big metal objects such as barns, cars, trailers, things like that. Also be good to make sure you're in a nice big open area as well. So for the first step, what you're gonna do about completing a fast compass cal is making sure you're standing behind the drone. In order to tell if you're behind the drone or in front of the drone, there's two things to pay attention to. First thing is actually there's a black arrow on the top of the drone letting you know that's the front of the drone. There's also a camera letting you know that's the front of the drone as well. So for step two, what you want to go about doing is making sure you can go ahead and open up AgroDrone GCS. With doing that, make sure you plug in 2 sets of batteries. With opening up AgroDrone GCS and click on that drop down box, click telemetry radio and connect to it. After doing that, go over to the maintenance tab, and in that maintenance tab, what you'll see is drones. Click on drones, and from there you should see that cartoon image of your drone appearing. Go down to the bottom where you'll see compass calibrations, and in this video we're completing a fast compass cal, so make sure you click fast compass rather than regular compass. So for this last and final step, go ahead and pull out your phone, whatever phone you might have, and pull up your compass app. Again, making sure we're standing behind the drone. Pay attention to both two things. This big black arrow along with the camera. So as you can see, I'm standing behind the drone. I have my compass app open. What you'll see me do is I like to do the little figure 8. After doing the figure 8, go ahead and place the phone in between the GPS. From there, what you'll see, it'll slowly go down a little bit. Let it sit there for a second, wait till it stops. So you can see I get 30 northeast. Go ahead and take the phone back off, do the figure 8 again, place it again, making sure you let it sit there just for a few seconds to really make sure. Let it sit there for a second. You can see I get 30 northeast again. And lastly, do it one more time. Set it down again, let it sit there again as well. And as you can see for the final one, I got 30 northeast as well. In your situation, you might have different numbers than me, so grab all 3 numbers, and from there grab the average of them, then from there type it in as you're heading. Thank you guys for joining me. How to complete a fast compass cal on your drone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy flying.